Okay, I have a Galaxy S10. I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card. If you do not have one of these tools, you can use a thin paper clip or the back of a studded earring. You're going to turn the phone upright. There's a hole here. What you'll do is you'll insert it, and you have to actually push it down, and you'll see it pop back up, and you'll probably get that notification. You will take that out. I have the SIM card here. Notice the hole is still on the right side. There's a slit right there on the left. We'll make sure that lines up. You'll hear a small click to know that it's in place. Still with the hole on the right side. Turn the phone. We're going to insert it, and you actually have to push it down. Sometimes see here where the bars are, it's not inserted yet. Mine automatically does it really fast. Yours might take a minute or two. After doing that, what you want to make sure too is if you want to go to your settings, you'll go to connections, mobile networks, and your data roaming access. I denied mine because I get charged for mine. You can allow it for only certain trips, or you can allow it for all trips. Again, I leave mine on, I deny it all because I get charged for mine. But other than that, that's it. Your SIM card is inserted.